Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share with you about the clay pots. I don't really remember where this craze for clay pots started. I had bought three pots with one lid 1 year back for making fish curry. I have heard that fish curry made it clay pots taste best. I used to make fish curry and the chicken curry. I did not season that pot, just poured water for 1 to 2 days and soak for 2 days and started using it. I'm using this from past 1 year. I love the aroma of the dishes while cooking in clay pots. You should definitely experience it and I'm sure you're gonna love it. You can start using the clay pots as such after washing and soaking it in water for 1 or 2 days. And you might have be having a doubts how to buy the clay pots. Make sure it's heavy and thick. Turn back, knock and see. You should hear a noise tank sound. The louder the sound, the good it is to buy. Cooking in clay pots need patience and practice it as it takes time to get heated. And one even after switching off the stove, you can see it boiling. That is the main speciality of the clay pots. After cooking, do not pour the water at once. The sudden changes in the temperature make leads be crackers. It may lead to cracks. So wait for it to cool down for a while. Cooking in a clay pot is much better than cooking in normal utensils, not just for its various health benefits, but also makes it much simple to cook and improve the quality of the food at the end. Health benefits of clay pots cooking. Reheating the food always leads to a loss of nutrients. But if you cook in a clay pot, it retains the temperature for a longer time and no worries for reheating. Slow cooking process retains all the nutrients of the food that we cook and hence the food is much tastier. If you season your pots properly, it will become durability and it will be durable and likely lack for a long time. It will be lost for a long time without proper seasoning. And the new clay pot in a big vessel full of water for 48 hours and then scrub off the mud inside the clay pot using a scrubber. Let it dry for few hours. Your pot is ready to be used. Clay pots add many important nutrients like calcium, iron, sulfur to food, which are extremely beneficial to our body. So how many of us are using clay pots nowadays? Because in previous days, it means that our ancestors days, everybody used to cook in the everybody, even we can say anybody, it may be any country or everybody to cook in the clay pots only, so that they don't had any blood pressure problems or any calcium issues or nothing, like with lack of any nutrients, like anything, like extremely it was beneficial to their body. That's why nowadays also they are really living for a long life. They're still healthy up to 80 years, 85 years, 100 years, just because they use this in previous generations they used to use only the clay pots. So as you guys know how benefits the clay pots are, and now I hope so this video is very helpful to who are using the clay pots and who are not also using the clay pots. Even they can start using it now by using the clay pots such. And you have to wash it and you have to soak at least for 2 days and then only you start using it. Then your vessel, like mud vessel, will be having a lot of properties, will be becoming durability and likely last for a long time, we can say. So this is how I'm ending up this benefits of the clay pots. Guys, you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. And if you really like this video, please, if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section so that I'm going to clear your doubts. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.